Hello friends, welcome to Chiknu Times. So today we are learning letter F. How to write letter F? हम ये सीखेंगे letter F का phonetic sound सीखेंगे. तो let's start. See, this is capital F. This is capital F, and this is small f. This is small f. F का phonetic sound क्या होता है? F. F for foot, F for foot, F for flower, F for flower, F for fish, F for fish. This is capital F and this is small f. और F का phonetic क्या होता है? F. And how to write capital F? See, make a standing line. Yes, make a first standing line, then second is a sleeping line, then another sleeping line. How to write? Make a standing line, make a sleeping line, then another small sleeping line. This is capital F. आज हमने क्या सीखा है? Capital F कैसे लिखते हैं? Again write. Make a standing line, make a sleeping line, then another sleeping line. This is capital F. Make a standing line, make a sleeping, then another sleeping. This is capital F. F का phonetic F. Standing, sleeping, and another sleeping. Standing, sleeping, and another sleeping. Standing, sleeping, and another sleeping. This is capital F. Standing, sleeping, and another sleeping. This is capital F. Hope you all like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.